Hello, my name is Jeenal. I have been graduated from Indus University. I have completed my BTech with Information Technology here. I am currently working with Capgemini, which is one of the world's top IT company. To a place here is my dream come true and this has happened due to Indus University, because Indus University has called such companies here, and so I got to place here. Apart from that, I would like to thank our faculty members who have taught us how the basics and fundamentals and make that fundamentals very clear. Here, the faculty members gave us, rather than theoretical knowledge, basic concepts were also included, and they give us practical knowledge. So, in spite of being Capgemini Pool Campus Drive, I was and other 7 students including me were selected because we had the basic knowledge, and this was an amazing opportunity for us to work here with an multinational company, because it is like a dream come true where you get placed and you get the fame from the starting itself as a fresher. I would like to thank Swami sir and Himansi ma'am, who is directing the placement cell. They guided us so strongly and gave us much more confidence how to deal with this, and also our Dean Manyar sir, who made Indus capable of being such MNC companies where the students get an opportunity to place here after graduating from Indus University. So if you come here, you would see a change in yourself, and it would be a great opportunity for you to come here and learn more and more things about the world. From my perspective, I would recommend you to come here, because after coming here, you would see yourself growing into your future, and you would achieve more and more opportunities which would lead you a better and successful career.